So, hey everybody, I hope you are doing well in your life. And for right now, I am discussing how my day went, and I think I should have to put this sentence on ChatGPT, or I should ask, is it wrong, or whether is it right or wrong. Because most of the time I have a doubt on that sentence, like how my day went. So any which ways, so let's discuss about what happened with me, and and all my takeaways. You know what? One of the most one of the most important takeaway till now was, don't laugh. Don't laugh. Always have a serious face. Always have a serious face. Don't laugh. So don't laugh at any situation. I don't know. Whatever be the situation, please don't laugh. Otherwise, the people around you will make fun of you. So don't laugh at any situation. Whether you know something or you don't know, you just have realistic, practical before and must have a clarity of thought while asking question, because when you are at a learning stage, your priority should be asking question, asking right question, no matter is it right or wrong, but your priority is only to ask a question, have a realistic view, that's it. And also change your perception if you not belong to that category, because it hurts you a lot for the long term. But for maybe for now you are not able to recognize, maybe maybe at this age you are not able to recognize it, but I am telling you, everybody will make fun of you, everybody surrounds you will make fun of you. And it's literally feeling like it's literally cringe feeling, brought tears. This is the one of the worst situation. And so my day is not just like there, but I am just relating the situation that happening with me. So any which ways, so after that I learned another new thing, but this is the takeaway which I should keep in mind for always, forever. And also I am learning a lot, but and also I should I think I should do more and more work, because I have to learn. I know I have wasted 2 years of my life. I have wasted 2 years of my life. It's it's a worst and the biggest regret. And now I cannot bear any regret. But for now, but वो भी for long term पे अगर cost भी, but but right, from now onwards but from now onwards but from now onwards I will not bear any situation. I don't know whether people are laughing, whatever do they, I will not let them fun of me. And another thing is, I know I have wasted 2 years of my life, crucial years of my life, but at that point of time I have to learn and learn a lot. I should do a work. I My thinking should be like, if I wasted 2 years of my life, I should learn the things with a 2x speed, or maybe 3x or 4x speed. My objective, my objective should be, my objective should be learn at a 2x speed, so that I don't want if anybody else learn with the same learn. I don't want like if somebody um, like a normal people learn in a 1 year. I don't want this. I want at a 2x 4x speed. It means if a person who learn all the process of CA form in 1 year, I want it in a 4 months or 3 months. That's it. I I know it's require a lot of efforts, but if I do with a very realistic view, if I go with a very realistic way, understanding the things, learning new things, write down my takeaways. This keeps me so fast, and this takes me uh, and this takes me far away. And literally this takes me far away and literally this takes me far away from a normal guy. So that's it. Wanted alongside I am study. I am also thinking about to do study, and right now I am doing uh, after completing this video, and I will start my study. What should I have to do, and what uh, by the way, I am learning some financial statements analysis. So after doing this, then I decide I should do. I know I have very less time. बहुत कम टाइम बचा है. This is also a question of my life. If I'm not plan my day after job, after doing, although it is not a job, but although it is not a job, but this is also a very crucial time. Also, although this is not a job, but this is a very crucial time for my life to decide where I should go, where I will go. So that's it for today. So hope you also you also learn from my video. You are also learning from my videos and enjoying about my uh, about and enjoying about knowing what's going on in my life. So that's it.